Hello. Let me turn this down a little. Okay. I thought it'd be fun to make a little backing track real quick. Just for some background noise and stuff, you know? I think, yeah. I was gonna set up some more stuff for the stream, but I don't know. I just didn't get it working in time, so instead, um, we're just gonna go ahead and start. I think I want to do a little bit of music for a sec before I really get into working on the website, because I'm liking this vibe of having like some ambient stuff in the background. So let me go through. Okay. Where does it start? Let me see where the cursor is. Oh, that's where the cursor is. Okay. So I made my own bass sound. Let me see if I still have it on my computer. And bass. Wait, I didn't this. Oh. Maybe I loaded the wrong thing. Oh. Damn, man, where's my... Did I put it in this samples? Well, I mean, those are old samples, but those aren't the right samples. Damn, yeah, I guess I must have, like, accidentally deleted it or something. Wait, no, here it is. Oh no, that's not the one I wanted. No, I think I accidentally deleted the bass sound that I liked. Oops. Okay, let's see. We can do... I think if I grab, like... We do loop on sustain. I can put this, like, right here. This, like, right here. Let's see. I only really want to get one wave so we don't get the up or down attenuation, you know? Okay, well, I wonder... Maybe, I wonder if I could use, like... This one, maybe? It'll be, like, a little bit louder. Let's see. I actually think that sounds pretty good. Let me line it up a little bit better. Mm-hmm. I actually need to use the restroom, so I'm gonna leave y'all with this ambience, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have returned. I'm trying to get, I wanted to get my VTuber stuff working, but it doesn't really look like it's working all that well. So that's a little, that sucks a little bit. Okay, so, oh, well that works a lot better. I wonder why, I'm like, confused as to why the media pipe thing is so slow on Snack Studio. Trying to figure out what's going on with it. Maybe, oh yeah, what was that? I got a Mastodon message. Twitch.tv/ZodiPopper. Okay, we're gonna post that in Mastodon and Blue Sky. Okay, so, like, okay. Does this webcam just suck or something? Like, I don't get it. I have to like, or is this out of view of the camera? Is that really the edge of the view of the camera? That's kind of wild. Hold on. Oh right, I can't load it because. Okay, this is also something that's stupid and makes me kind of mad. Is that under Linux apparently I can't just I can't just have multiple things use the camera for whatever reason. I don't know why. It's stupid to do it that way, but okay, I think I see what's wrong. First of all, the camera angle is wacky. Two, the lighting is really bad. Let me see. Maybe I can. Okay, I mean that's a lot less blown out. I think that might be okay. We will see. Hopefully, okay, yeah, you cannot see my camera. Thankfully, this is a really bad angle. I look like shit. Okay, let's turn this back on. Okay, I mean, it's working a little bit better. It's still like slow and glitchy. uh, maybe I can go into... Maybe, okay, there's an advanced setting, so maybe I can like go... Here, I can also... I'll just add... Wait. Uh, capture. Snook Studio. And I want to capture that application. Yes. Okay, so there we go. The window's transparent, which is great. But yeah, you see that? It's like all laggy and stuff, so we're gonna try to see if we can fix that real quick. The hand tracking does work. I just think there's not really enough like FOV for me to do that, so I'd have to like keep my hands like this the whole time or something. Which, like, if I'm writing code, that's... I should just figure out where I put my leap motion. That would make sense, you know. Maybe if I get farther back from it. Oh, you can't see that yet. Hold on. let me. I should probably go look at my Twitch page to see what's going on. So yeah, it's just like really jumpy. Let's see. Armrest angle. Okay, that doesn't do anything. Hand confidence time. Untracked frames before reset. Wait, is the speed? Oh, that makes it faster, I think. No, I guess it doesn't affect it. Blend back to rest pose speed. Oh, maybe that's for like... Oh, that's for that. I see. Head position smoothing. We're gonna add a whole lot more smoothing because it's very jumpy. Yeah, the fizz bones are really jittery and stuff. Oh yeah, it doesn't know how to do... Oh, it's struggling with the thumbs up. But that's okay. I think I'm gonna turn off hand tracking. One shape override. Oh. Oh, that's not doing anything. Okay. Head pats. Okay. I think we're just gonna live with this. It's not that big of a deal. Alright. So this is what it looks like when I'm looking at myself. This is what it looks like when I'm looking at the camera. I should probably get it to be... Actually, I think it's easier if it's centered when I'm looking at myself, or when I'm looking at the avatar. So we're gonna do that. And because the arms are all jank, I'm gonna do this. Okay. Yeah, okay, why are the arms resting like that? That's annoying. Okay, thanks. Mod list. Redeem name, give me head pats. How do how do this work though? Is this like a bits thing? I don't know how bits work. Oh, can you add a cave vibe? You maintaining bones. Well, yeah, I mean, I guess if I'm gonna use the correct terminology for the physics bones stuff, it's actually they're actually called spring bones now because that's what the VRM spec uses. So, oh, I'm getting a lot of notice. Might have to mute the. Oh, it's it's you, Houston. Teehee. Okay, I'm gonna mute Firefox real quick. Where did I put my settings? That's part of the website that I'm going to be working on. I'm going very basic. I haven't done web dev in quite a while. So, what was I doing? Why did I open settings? Oh yeah, I was gonna mute Florp. Florp. That's the browser I use. Yeah, just mute all of the Florp ones. Okay. But yeah, it is like quite annoying that my like Linux isn't letting me have multiple apps claim this like what am I saying? Oh yeah, the camera. That's what I was complaining. I was complaining about the camera stuff because I was like, people love me. No, I didn't say. Oh, my microphone is quiet. I guess that would make sense. Uh, let's see. It's at 100% on there, so I probably just need to turn it up in OBS. Okay. Oh, I probably need like. Here, let me add a compressor to it to see if that makes it better. Because I have a limiter. Oh wait, I could just do. Yeah, we're gonna do a compressor. Compressor, I hardly know it. Okay. Okay, right, I don't want that. I'm just gonna turn. Okay. I have turned the gain on. So there's a gain effect and a limiter. And so. Actually, I think the limiter might be good before the gain. Okay. I'm gonna test it a little bit. So. Ah! Okay, yeah, I think that's good. I think it's good volume. You'll have to tell me what you think. DOH. I don't know what that is. Okay, right. I wanted to figure out. So there's like a. Oh, Play-Doh. Oh, I see. Play-Doh. Okay, I want to see if I can. Fuck, I forgot what. Oh, the bits. I wanted to set up the bits thing. How does that work? Manage goals. Follower goals. I mean, yeah. Wait, am I that close? Oh my god, I already have 46 followers. That's actually wild. Oh yeah, the speech to text. Speech to text thought you were doing a Homer Simpson. Oh, or whatever. um, what's buttons? I can add my buttons. Bits. Okay, there's no bits buttons. Wait, so how do I customize what the bits do? I have no idea what I'm doing. I like. I need to stream more so I can learn more stuff. Okay. So, okay, so I guess the goal It told me that the best goal to set right now is the 50 follower goal, so we're gonna do that. 1,000 times. Also, I messed around with that program before, but I just couldn't really get anything working. Oh yeah, Snack Studio. It's a little rough, but it's open source. If I felt a little more motivated to, I would contribute to it. But I think I would rather just like I'm actually thinking about like looking at what they did to get the media pipe stuff working because like face tracking is pretty cool and it has hand tracking, and like maybe I could optimize it a little bit or something and put it in Bark, and then I could just use Bark because I already want to do that eventually. Uh, but that's difficult. Okay, I'm gonna open a new Twitch tab and see. Uh, what do you think about the ambient music so far? That's funny. It. Oh wow, Twitch lets me monetize even though I haven't hit affiliate status yet. That's fascinating. I don't really want to do that though. I'm just trying to find the fucking bits button. Role manager. I mean, community roles manager. Oh shit, I had no idea that. Oh, that's. Okay, I didn't know that these were set up as moderators on my account. That's funny. Um, it's fine though. I trust those people. Viewer rewards. Rewards? What? No, I'm good. Watch 30 minutes of Invincible VS to receive the evils of our past background and okay. I insignificant worthless stuff. There's also drops. Streaming tools. No. Extensions. Oh, there's a search button. Bits. Oh, there it is. Monetization. Bits and sharing. Oh, it's under the monetization? Oh, bits are only available to Twitch partners and affiliates. Okay. Why was that so hard to find? You know, I actually used to be monetized on Twitch, like probably 8 years ago or something for a little bit. But like, I just didn't really, uh, like keep doing it or whatever. Also, what the fuck? Why is Florp hiding all of my pop-ups? Okay, weird. Yeah, sorry. We're in like the troubleshooting part of the stream where I haven't started yet, but I decided to turn on the stream even though I'm just like figuring out stuff. Alright, I have to click. Okay, there we go. Okay, I submitted the monetization thing. Not because I want money, but because I want to give out free bits and let people do little emotes and stuff. And I think that'd be fun. Because like Snake Studio has an option to do like head pats like this. I don't think that's cool. It's active for quite a long time though. Try and make it active for like 2 seconds, maybe 1 second. If I ever get like really popular, what I'll do is I'll make. Oh, wait, are my avatars too black? Did I fuck them up? Ba 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 ba. Oh, yeah, they. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that later. Whoopsie. I kind of. Yeah. I kind of lazily recolored the avatar, so it makes sense. Okay, I wish the arms weren't janked up like that. How do I fix that? Pose IK advanced. Lane scale? Oh, interesting. There's so many options. I actually kind of like it. Object thrower. Wait, oh, how does this work? Throw something in my face. Set up spendable mounts. What is this? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. This might let me enable this might let me enable bits right now. So we will see. Okay. Okay. Picky picky. Okay, it's loading. Okay, we're gonna do stuff while this is loading. Okay. Puppy music. I don't know what you mean by puppy music. You mean like my normal music? Or like I I have been working on an album. Wait, here, let me hide the oop. I'm working on an album and I think it's gonna be fun when it comes out. But that's not right now. That's for later. Okay. Snake Studio filters. Oh wait, no. Right. May taught me that if I hold Alt and scroll down, that it crops the thing. Or not scroll down, but like move my mouse. Yeah, that worked. That was super easy. Okay. Now I'm down in the corner. The arms are still a little jank. That's too damn bad. Let's go with the stoic angle. Oh, I guess I could this it's like not it's not putting my hands on the thing. Funny camera angle. Oh. Oh. Okay, I wonder if I can like window? Uh, Hello. I wonder, let me see if I can change the near clip. Is there a near clip thing? Scene basic. I think I already have that. Yeah, yeah, let's see. This looks like it might be in here. No. Damn. Oh, that's too bad. Uh, Camera positions? No, that's not it. Graphics tablet, iPads, head tracker to open track. Okay. Do not use yet. Oh my gosh. Okay. I won't. Model toggle, mouse head tracker. Oh, mouse head tracker? That sounds fun. No pose I can't. Oh, I need to move it above the pose I can't. Oh, that's funny. Like moves my thing around. Oh, it doesn't work when I'm not on the window though. It's a little sad. So we're gonna remove. Wait, throw something in my face. How does that work? Redeem name. Camera having your clipping is crime. I know. There's no. I can't. I don't have. I don't. It doesn't seem like there's a near clip thing. I can turn the FOV way down and make it like. Nice. Okay. And then I'm gonna turn off the hotess thing again because it's like not helping. Blink eyes vertical look direction. Oh, it doesn't let me do. It doesn't let me do cross-eyed. Cross eyes. Also, why isn't this the blinking isn't working? I just realized. Um. Uh. Do I need to add like a blinker? Is there a blink thing? VMC controller. Virtual motion capture. VRCFT. What's FaceTime? Oh, okay. Weird. Uh, I have a suspicion that this app works best like if you're in VR or something. Let's see. Hand position offset head. Hand position scale. Oh. Ba, 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 ba. Okay. VRFT. VR face tracking. I think I mean, there kind of is like an open standard that people have been using lately, but it's like, I don't know, it's not that incredible, I guess. Also, this is not working. Like, it's supposed to, do something, but like they didn't. This is bad UX. They didn't like enumerate the list of available in shapes, so it's very hard to know if I have typed in the thing correctly. And I don't think I did. So we're just gonna remove it. Pose IK. Oh, maybe I can adjust the arms. No. Okay. It's annoying. Yeah, this is a little frustrating. It needs more stuff, you know? It needs like better features. But anyway, we'll just get on with the stream. I don't really want to waste like a whole bunch of more time not doing anything. So it feels like to me. But these tools are using OSC, which is an open protocol that any app could use, and they're deciding to slap VRC at the beginning just to get it. I mean, I don't know. I think it's more complicated than that. I think that like OSC is normally for like basically a completely different industry of stuff, and so like, excuse me, oh, stomach. I think that like there's really like OSC is used for all kinds of shit, and I think that if you don't specify that it's the VR chat OSC, which is like its own little standardish thing that's like spontaneously existed, then people won't know like what you're using necessarily, you know? So yeah. Anyway, is this music repetitive yet? Ugh. My neck is a little sore, that's why I'm like moving myself around a lot. Oh yeah, VRCFT for Resident. That is kind of silly. Do you like the ambient audio so far? Is it, should I just leave it like this and go to working? No, don't worry, I'm an yapper too. Oh my god. I need to drink some water. My mouth is dry. This is my first stream in a long time where I'm not, or when I'm not high. I'm not high right now. And I'm like, anyway. Sick. Okay. You know, I think what might look even better is if I do like wait, I think it's using I think it's the mic is getting the fan noise and it's getting the it's using the fan noise as part of my mouth position. Which is funny. So once I can like move the mic over here. Okay, I think it's a little bit better. And now move myself down. Okay, think that's cropped well. I just need to switch it in a second. Boop. Okay. There we go. Alright, so yeah, so I made a page already, the main page. But now I need to go through and make the donation page. Which, like, I've already started. And I do everything in NeoVim, so we're gonna open NeoVim, obviously. I also made I made my own header element thing where I basically just put this. I put a script wherever I want the header to sit, and it automatically puts it in there for me, so I don't have to like put it on every page just specifically, you know. So that's nice. Okay, so this still work? It does. Okay. So I've dissected the Patreon or the PayPal donate button, and I'm gonna make it look like these because these little cards. I don't know why this one is like this. I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that. I think. Cause like justify round. Oh wait, I think the cards are. I'm pretty sure the cards are flex boxes. Oh, this is index. Okay. Let's see. Justify around. Oh, yeah, see, I didn't put justify. Oh, wait, no. Justify around. Whoa. What? Okay. Don't know why I needed to give me like 2 pages of errors. Alright, what the fuck? Oh, this. Okay, it's because I put it on the top. Apparently the top is not the container. This is the flex container. I need to add justify content. Space around, space between, evenly. Okay, if I do between, and then I go do the same thing on this one. Wait, what? Oh, space between. Okay. Space between. Oh yeah, see that one, this one's not even like affecting. That, but I do think it should be between, because like, we want the buttons at the bottom of the cards, you know? Like, I feel like that makes sense. Okay, so it goes on card body. Just this. Dash content. Justify around. We don't need this one. Oh wait, no. Wait, we're doing between, right? Let me see what. Let's see what around looks like. Space around. Yeah, that just doesn't make it. It just doesn't line them up right though. I would rather them be lined up. So we're gonna do between. Okay, that's the wrong button. Okay, then. What? Why didn't that do anything? Justify around. Justify between. Justify between. Center, center. Wait, what? Column. What the fuck? There must be some conflicting style going on here. What? Wait, I didn't get... Huh? Wait, what? Justify center. Justify between. Oh, maybe it needs to be... Oh, wait, is that self-justify? That might be... I might need to change it to actually be like, justify... No. Justify content space between. Yeah, that's correct. That's what I want. What is this one? Flex Russian column. Flex auto. Yeah. Okay, so it should be fine? It's like, why is it not fine? Card body, card body. Is it because I removed the justify from this? No, that has nothing to do with it. Nothing to do with it. Justify around. Justify between. Yeah, this one has justify between. Wait, so... Okay, so it's just not applying. It's just not applying the style for some reason. There's an overriding style that's occurring. What the fuck? I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I know exactly what's happening. I know exactly what's happening. I have to open a terminal and run this thing. Otherwise, it's not going to rebuild the CSS class, which makes sense. So, okay. Let me resave. Perfect. Okay, yeah. So it was just... I just didn't have the thing running. Because I use a... I don't do like... Wait, actually, let me check the chat. Could you just make the website and work? What? The red one due to Cash App having larger... Well, yeah, that is why. But I wanted... If I use the right styles, I can wrap these so that they're like lined up properly, and that's what I wanted. So, and that's what I did. I think it's fine. This doesn't need to be like super complicated. I know that hopefully next time when Burr is feeling a little bit better, because they're having like a mental health day, which is perfectly valid. I definitely have a lot of those. But next weekend on Sunday around this time, hopefully they're feeling a little bit better and we can have some more clear direction on what they want. So right now I'm just like kind of working on stuff. and like, I don't know, doing stream things, because I like doing that. UIX brain rot. What do you mean just make the web? Do you mean like make the website in Bark? That would be really bad. That would like wouldn't be useful. Cause like there's a lot of ways I could interpret that phrase. And I think that all of them are impossible except for like one, because you're like, could you just make the website in Bark? And it's like, okay, wait, but I can't just make Bark today. It's like, it's gonna take a lot longer still, because it's still there's still a lot of work to do on that. But ugh. My body is like angry at me today. I might have to go to the bathroom again soon, because like I don't know if I just like didn't drink enough water yesterday or something, but like every time I drink water, it's just like annoying. But yeah. Okay. Let's at least do like one thing, right? Like I need to at least get this PayPal button with the card around it and stuff. And I have chat open on my other screen this time, so I can actually see what you're saying. I'm not ignoring you, I promise. I just like keep this. I have a lot of shit open. Okay. So basically, okay, I added little sections here so that I can easily figure out what I'm looking at, because comments are good. Card underscore 01. I want to replace it with the Zelle card. Okay. Now I grab all of these, yank, go down here, paste that, and instead of Zelle card, we're gonna change it to PayPal card. Okay, so this goes where the button goes. So we're gonna take that and select this and paste this here. Okay, perfect. So that's kind of doing the thing we want a little bit. I feel like isn't there a container type or so, like a flex mode or something that automatically wraps elements around in like a grid or something? Okay, that's definitely. Oh, I guess that's kind of what I want. Flex wrap. Wait, there's just a flex. There's just a wrap mode. That's wild. Flex wrap. Hey, that's pretty fucking. That was super stupidly easy. Oh my god. Okay, but like, okay, but why is why is this one so small? Card small? Oh, we don't want card small. Card dash SM. We want to replace that with card dash LG. Oh, whoops. I meant like make it embark and export it. Yeah, but okay, but that's okay, but that's not how websites work. I don't want to have to load a whole ass Godot application every time someone wants to go look at like this basic static website, you know. That would be so overkill. That's crazy. It'd be like, cause like what I think the website right now is like like 3 or 4 KB or something, like in its entirety. If I did the Godot thing, it would be like minimum of 100 MB, pretty much. It is possible. I could do it. That is true. I've been working on the scripting tools. Like I think I've said before, but like I've been trying to get I've been basically working to set up the GDScript VM to execute outside of Godot, because if I could do that, then I can use like the LSP and stuff in Bark. And once I get that working, it will be way easier for me to just use Bark to do everything instead of like regular Godot, which is my like plan, is eventually to just start using Bark for everything. I mean that's kind of what Sunbox is. That's what I use Sunbox for. I do want to put this in Bark eventually. I have a GD extension for it. It's just like not done yet. I feel like I feel like this needs more bass or something. But like not a really punchy bass. Just like a kind of like a droning bass, you know? Let's see if I can do that. I'm getting very distracted. See. The junk notification problems. Oh, yeah, Fluffy Chat. No, I don't know. Fluffy Chat is still not sending me notice. I don't know why. That sounds kind of cool. I almost wonder. I almost wonder if there's something going on with my server, actually. Because you're saying you unmuted notifications and made sure the app can send notifications, but still not sure if it's working. So, I do have a suspicion that there's something going on with my server. I looked at it, and it didn't seem like the usage or anything was high. But I might move some services off of it just in case. Because there might be some, like... There might be some moments where it, like, needs to peak like the CPU usage, and it's just like not able to like, ugh, there's just like not enough overhead available or something. Because like Synapse is made in Python, which means it's prone to like a whole bunch of shit. Hmm. No polyphony. Okay, and now to make it sound a little bit more alive and powerful, we're gonna add a reverb. And I'm not gonna actually use a whole lot of the reverb, but I'm gonna use damp. Okay. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this over here actually. Okay, I think that's, oh yeah, it's supposed to be up there. Forgot. Okay, I was right. I do need to go use the restroom again. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna mute 1 sec. Okay, it's a little quieter in here now. For a sec, at least. Yeah, I made a. What? I don't know why it's not showing up on the screen now. Let's see. What did I do wrong? Yeah, why isn't it updating? Wonder if it's. It might be because I'm running it in the editor. Save and close. Open Godot. Put some shit on the screen. Okay. Now let's see if I can capture this window. Okay, I can. So now if I put it over here, so we can make the text wavy again. Just like throw this together really quick in Godot. Oh no, it's not rendering correctly, is it? What the hell? That's so annoying. Is there like a... Oh wait, did I crop it too much? Is that what I did? Oh, I think I did. Transform... Edit transform? Oh, yes. I cropped it way too much. That's what happened. Wait, is this still not up to date? Oh, I also did another thing. I should revert. Enable, okay, lip sync is re-enabled. How strange, it's not capturing correctly. Wonder... Filter... Oh, it updates fine while it's on the screen. Okay, that makes sense. But yeah, I made this quick thing just now so I can put text on the screen. So if we have to mute again, I already have this ready. Yeah, I just made this in Godot. Okay. So we have the ambience now. I'm gonna like improve the ambience so it... I'm gonna also add a noise gate. Okay. Nice. Okay, I think that's fine. Cool. How goes the work on the website? Well, I got very distracted, but we did make some progress on this page. And I want to replace the small card with large card. That's okay. I hit escape again. I keep hitting escape instead of hitting enter for some reason, so that's annoying. But Whoops. Okay. Okay. Nice. Yeah, they have an 8 REM padding margin stuff. Okay, let me change this text. PayPal. And then yeah, okay. I wanna get logos from each of them. So let's get Versa. Okay, but I want this thing. Monogram. Image. Why is this? This is changing scale suddenly. Oh right, it's because of that. I forgot. Okay, and this. Wait, I can't drag it. That's so shitty. Yeah, okay, that's fine. And what that right? Doesn't need to go there because that's gonna reset the glide. Instead, I actually. I got rid of the. Wait, you thought my stream ended? Why do you think my stream ended? Oh, because the music paused. That's fun. Gonna gonna make. Okay, I just learned just now, right now, that won't do that. I need to put the beginning note here, and then make so this is basically just to add some like low rumble in the background. Like we don't necessarily need it to be that loud. Hi, welcome to the stream. I was working on a website. I'm gonna keep working on the website. I got a little distracted. So. I made a little thing in Godot that lets me put text on the screen. Made a little bit of music. I feel like this needs more interesting Oh, that's a gnarly sound. Holy shit. Oh yeah, I mean I do have it turned down quite a bit, so um okay, that sounded pretty sick. Let me add a filter to it so it's less like painful to audio. I also I did like the super basic rookie thing where I just shove everything into a compressor, but I don't really care because oh yeah, yeah. Make the fall off sharper. Okay. Alright, back to website stuff. So we downloaded this. Okay, I should be able to go. Where did it? Oh, I put it in line for the Cash App. I guess I could. Well, oh, I should just. Okay, and instead of that one, we're gonna go media image. PayPal. PayPal.zip. Excuse me? Why did you do that? There it is. Yeah, I don't really need any of those. And then just and I just wanted the logo that I clicked on, you know. What? Hey, what the fuck? Why did it delete that? What's fuck? What the fuck? Hello? Oh, all right. Wait. Wait, what? Wait, that doesn't. Okay, wait, that doesn't make any sense. Wait, so whenever I. Okay, I'm gonna put it up here. Okay. All right. What the fuck? Okay, perfect. Then I can just call this PayPal.png. Delete this one because I don't need that. Now I can just do PayPal.png. There. It's 2 REM tall, which for this one for some reason is too tall. I mean, I guess if I do 1 REM, it should be or one. Oh, it's 1 EM. Oh, I see. That makes it the same size. The same size. Can you make a whole operating system in Godot? I'm working on it. Okay, it's already on my mind. I want to like I shouldn't promise things. I shouldn't promise things that are super difficult. That's like not smart. But I do want to add a Wayland compositor to Bark at some point so that I can just boot into it someday in the future. Okay, Zell, I know you have a logo. I know you have a logo because I can see it. Give it to me. First thing that will load, one of the first things should be the favicon, which is what I'm seeing down there. Oh, here we go. Favicon. We want... Okay, if I got it. Fonts. Okay. Save response as... Perfect. That's it. Alright. Now I'm gonna use... I don't have to... Here... First, we want to move. We want to. No, we can just do it straight up. Okay, we're gonna hit the favicon. We're gonna take the favicon. Call it Zell.png. Okay, now we have Zell.png. So. Yeah, alright, there we go. And now it does this. That's good. I feel like the style should change because it's a little displeasing because it's like irregularly sized. But I'm kind of inclined to... I kind of feel like it's fine. I like that wrapping. That's really convenient that they made it auto wrap like Flexbox stuff. That's really cool. Yeah, so... And like I use this because I like to use Tailwind. The nice thing about Tailwind is that you can use UI elements that aren't some like opaque framework. Instead, you just get like the actual CSS of the stuff. Like let's see. If I go to the other thing that's nice about using this is that I have it set up so that I have like a color scheme and stuff. And so if I go into the dev tools and I go dash dash color dash, let's see. Yeah, see that's the background. And base content. Yeah, base content is the text color. I should probably write out what these are. Base content. Now that I'm thinking about it. Color primary. Yeah, it's like that. Color primary. It's okay, so what is color primary? Color primary. It's the button color. Let's see. Oh, weird. They have like a very similar fallback color. Fascinating. Ooh. Oh. Color. And so the main thing is that I need to make sure that I'm actually using these because I did make sure that I started using the color-based content for the text. But what's really nice about this is that we can make this like whatever color we want. So that's cool. Like I can make this I can make it my color. Like 90F, 7F, 7. Yeah. That's nice. Like very convenient, you know? Because then like if you want to do theming later, you can just have like a button that changes the whole theme of the page, and that's really convenient. Makes sense. Just makes sense. Yeah. Alright, so this color primary. What was that one? That was the button color. Buttons and stuff. Oh, I guess I didn't customize the other one. These must be Tailwind colors, and I probably don't really need to keep record of what they are. Maybe in here or something. Themes. At theme. Data theme cupcake. Interesting. Okay. But yeah. It's like relatively straightforward. It tells you, I think it tells you. Let's see. I'm pretty sure themes are part of Tailwind itself. I just want to look up all of like the coloring, like but oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. The other thing that's really nice about Tailwind is that theme variables. Here we go. Oh yeah. Color utilities. Okay. Yeah. So this does explain. This does explain. So you're silly. Some tail scale. They want to know how heavy their tail is. It's definitely not a VPN thing. Okay, so we made those. Now, I think that something that could be helpful is you were referring to reptilians. Oh, really? I thought you were talking about Tailscale, the VPN utility. I haven't seen anyone talk about tail scales. I don't know. I don't know about that trend. That's the thing. Wish I have a bunch of messages. One sec. My emoticon prefix. Use emojis as variable names. You can, in fact, do that. You can do that in most languages. Like, should you? No. But you can. It is, yeah. It's just like Unicode stuff or whatever. Something something text formats. I don't know. I don't remember them all, but interesting. Okay. So that's nice. Got a little donate button. Got those buttons. Okay, that doesn't. Why doesn't it take me? Oh yeah. Wait. Wait, is the sticky not? Sticky's not working. Or is sticky not working because of where I put? Maybe. Like, what if I put it in here? No. Wait, so... Wait, does sticky... It's not work anymore? Like, I'm confused. Does it need like a position change? No, it's already doing that. I already got that. I don't need that. So... Wait, why isn't sticky working? Is this not how sticky works? I thought that's... It says... Can I press the keys, please? Does nothing. Sticky's not working. Okay. If an ancestor has an overflow property set that isn't reset unset in an interceding ancestor before. Oh, okay. Oh, there's an overflow set on the root. Okay. I did not do that. Why is that? Wait, no, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to put it in here. Overflow. Oh, I wasn't reading the chat, sorry. Yeah, because at the end of the day, it's really just text. Also, by the way, I had a small crash out a while ago because I accidentally deleted a web view. I accidentally deleted web view. I see. Microsoft's companies cannot be woke. Companies are cringe and will always be cringe. Okay. So why does this have an overflow property? Okay, that also didn't make it work. A body also has an overflow. It doesn't? Okay. Wait, so why... Wait, so... Why? Out. Computed. Overflow. Okay. Wait. Ring was overflow X hidden set on the body element. Okay, what if you need overflow X hidden? Wait, yeah, what the fuck? That's a really shit feature. Why would it work like that? That doesn't make any fuck. Made it work. Here's what I did. Overflow hidden. Position state. Okay, but if I do overflow hidden, then it's just not gonna do. Yo, why is the web like this? Why is the web like this? Like, you make a fucking sticky element, and then it's like doesn't work. Yes. Is the truth that I need to add add another div, and then people wait a minute. It'd be really funny if you dyed your hair purple, drove a purple car, wore a purple shirt, and painted your nails purple. I'll have you know that someday when I have the funds to do all of that at once, I will. I will immediately. If I can buy a car that is the bright, powerful purple that is my favorite color, I will absolutely drive it around. 100%. I am a really big fan of purple. It's my favorite color. I actually have been thinking about dyeing my hair purple. Just haven't done it yet. Okay. Um, this window's smaller. Pause. Pause the stream. Wasting bandwidth for no reason. Alright. So, okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in another div. And this div be like, I don't know why this is good. Okay, it still displays fine. Let's see where it put the element. It did put it in the div. Actually, I wonder. Okay, wait. Okay, if I make this div. Right. I mean, I guess at this rate, I might as well just like make it a fixed position element. Like, I don't. This is a lot of effort for no reason. I'm just gonna do that. We're just gonna go over here instead of sticky. Oh, it's small. It became small for some. Should not be. Ooh, I think it's because of the div. No, it's not because of the... We should get rid of the div. We don't need the extra div. Okay. Sick. Okay. Well, Easton, if I exported this ambient track, would you want to listen to it? I think I'm gonna leave the stream soon. I'm gonna try to stream more often though, because I like streaming. Fun.
Fucking A.
Utter chaos just broke out. Oh, 1 second. There's not actually fire, it's fine. Yeah, everyone was sleeping is the real tragedy. There was no fire. It's fine. The fire alarms are just super sensitive. Like, yeah, everyone else, a bunch of people were asleep. I didn't set off though, it's not my fault, I swear. I didn't do anything. Alright, so now that I know how to do this like flex wrapping thing, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna placeholder images. And I want to I have a concept. I wanna make a thing. It wasn't obscure, I get what you're saying. But they're not cooked because there was no fire, actually. Also, did you hear what I said earlier, Easton? I asked if you want this ambient track that I made. I can export it and like put it on. You know what? I should put it like on my blog or something. I made a blog website, but I haven't used it yet because I've been like being silly and waiting for. I guess I could just put it on Bandcamp. It's true. It's true. I will. It's just like ambient. Okay. So I have a thought that I make images that are different sizes. So like we're gonna export. Where the fuck did they put the fill tool? Where'd the fill tool? There used to be oh, bucket fill, there we go. Shift B. Okay, so we're gonna export here. Yeah. Yeah, wait, how big is this one again? Oh, 500 by 300. That's all I wanted to do. It's odd. 500 x 300. Okay. And then now, image, scale, whatever. $500 This one is perfect square. And then I want one that's like 700. We did that uniformly scale. Did not keep my buttons. There we go. Oh, I just realized that Oh, I did those the wrong direction. I did. Oops. Okay, wait. Actually, use it for different testing. I'm just like curious if I make like, because one of the inspiration websites was this one, and it has this like banner at the top. But the thing is, this is one image, and I think that if we do some like cropping, some like proper cropping and stuff to make them all specific widths and heights that line up, we can have them auto wrap in a way that looks nicely. That's what I'm checking. You want me to make cover art for the ambient? I think I would want to flesh it out more first. I've got some like crazy shit coming up on Tuesday. But I'll try to stream a couple days after that or something, and then maybe we can just do like a full music stream. That would be nice. Okay, now I'm gonna change. So I actually wanted them to all be the same height, different widths, but I did the wrong thing. I changed the width and not the height. Which I guess I could use for which I guess I could use for like I wanted to do like column stuff instead of horizontal wrapping. I guess this 300. Oh, that's the wrong number. 300. Okay, so wrapping chest. Okay. Donate. I think we could put it right after donate, maybe. Like that. And this basically, I mean, this pretty much needs the same as this. I think that here we have an if. Now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do images. So 300x. Okay. So now $507 ones. Oh, see, they have like some padding. Wait, but why are they not next to each other? I don't want their. It doesn't need to be. Padding margin, both those 0. There maybe. Oh, okay. Wait, I think it's just. Oh, it's because of the justify. That's fine. If I do. We instead do. Okay, now they're close together, and they scale up. I should have made them different colors. One sec. Okay. Let's see. I'm pretty sure I can change the color of these. Like filter hue rotate. What? What? What's wrong with it? Invalid property value. Is it not a parenthesis? Is it? No. Oh, okay. Because it's degrees. Literally rotating. Okay, yeah, there we go. So, does Tailwind have this? It probably does. Filter. Finish. Oh, wait, that's not. Doesn't make any sense. Why does it add a display flex? No. Anything YouTube's window, the below the script was just exposed for. Oh, wow. Wait, YouTube's Windows Debloat script? What are you talking about? Did YouTube make a Windows debloating script? Oh, a YouTubers. Oh, I see. I see. Easton, this is why you need to learn how to type. Text to speech does not work well for you for some reason. Or like. I know what you mean. Don't worry. Okay, so we're gonna be. Wait, no, not class. Style equal filter call food 30. This one 0. We can do 60. 90. Yeah. Okay, now they are different colors, so now we can actually see this wrapping. Yeah, see, because they're all the same height. I guess. Actually, it would be even better if I curated their positions based on the different width profiles. But this is like a really easy auto thing to do. Nice. That's weird that it does that. Kind of cool looking, but this should not be the same size as this one. Like what? I also think that the donate on the bottom should probably have spacing at the bottom. We'll do a normal scale. Oh. Wait, why are they on top of the... Why are they on top of the banner? They're on top of the banner? What? Okay. I see. We're gonna go over here to this. Yeah, there. Hmm. Oh, right. I put the brackets. Okay, I think using V8. Banner. Oh no, that's way too big. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, I think that's pretty satisfying. Like it's not malware directly, it just does a ton of stuff it's not supposed to do. It completely disable your system security and messes with the Windows login sequence. Okay, yeah, that's I mean that would I think that would qualify as malware if that's not what it's made to do. Wait. No. It's a debloat script, right? So yeah, but like the thing that eats the most performance on Windows typically is their piece of shit antivirus. Like it's still kind of the best antivirus. It's not as good as just like not downloading sketchy shit, but I don't know, kind of funny. Okay, let's see. Galaxy Note 9. Oh, why does it have horizontal scrolling? We don't want that horizontal scrolling bullshit. Body overflow. Text. Uh, yeah. Okay, well that's why is it doing that? What does clip do? Nothing that I fucking wanted it to, that's for sure. Hey, I don't want it to I don't want it to do visible. Well, that's not good either. That's fucking stupid. Why would it do that? Make any sense? Is it because the header's too big? Probably. Uh, don't like that. Don't like it. Makes me mad. Okay, so text to XL. I guess I make this X. Wait, what is happening? Why is it because I didn't have a button that showed me the bottom box of the thing earlier? Oh yeah, that. Okay. Oh, I see. Wait, the body. Okay, the body is correct. The body's correct. Overflow X. Okay, so wait, so what's making it? This that's making it? Oh, it is, because that's going all the way side to side. Okay. Width full. Yeah, width 100%. Wait, wait, if the width is 100%, then what's wrong with it? Oh no, we still have horizontal. Okay, well this isn't that's fucking wait, oh it is? Oh images. Oh right, because like look at how images are being scaled all weird. Okay. So do about that? Let's see. Div multi-view wrap test. Okay. So no. Max width 100%. No. It's still allowing horizontal scroll. Oh, what the fuck? It's so stupid. When suppressing security notifications. Okay. I mean, whenever I installed Windows, I immediately disabled Windows Defender because it uses like 20% of my CPU for no reason. So like, maybe if their antivirus wasn't written by grifting AI garbage software, it wouldn't be so bad that people feel the need to disable it. You know what I mean? Like, the shit doesn't even work. People get viruses all the fucking time on Windows. This is why I run all my shit on Linux, because on Linux I can have a fucking sandbox. Like, I don't know. Like, I guess I could get got by something, but most of the time if I download something that I can't look at the code base of, I'm downloading a Flatpak, and it's gonna be sandboxed anyway, so... like, whatever. And I have like some file write permission locks as well to make sure apps can't like I don't know. There's just I don't get it. I don't understand. Oh, I see. Mean ratio assumes that I'm sitting down. Yeah, which makes sense. But I'm actually not moving my shoulders. Anyway, whatever. I got distracted. Okay, why is this? Still, wait. Why are all the? How are all the images in width all of a sudden? Isn't it? Look. So whoops. Anyway, so if I max width 100 VW. Okay, that did nothing. Did nothing. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna do max width 100 VW. That's still, what the fuck? Doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense. What? Wait, what? It's like... Yo, this is actually so stupid. What? Why is it like zoomed in? Doesn't make any sense. It also disables the administrator privileges pop up. I mean, I can understand why, but that's a really bad decision. I agree. That's really bad. You should never do that. I guess. I don't know. I mean, like, I don't have it on Linux for... I mean, no, that's not true. I do have it. But instead of asking me to hit a yes button, it just asks for my password. Makes way more sense to me. It only asks when things actually need to be elevated to administrator permission. On Windows, it'll ask for random bullshit. Opening a fucking file, which doesn't make any sense. Why is this like this? This doesn't make any sense. Like, oh, this one's fine. What? It's just, oh, it's all the small phones, I see. Oh, not the iPhone. The iPhone's fine. iPhone SE. Okay, iPhone SE is not fine. So we do need to fix that. Okay. Wait. The pad. It wasn't that padding. I think it might be padding. Like, okay, if I delete that element, no. If I delete the header, no. If I delete... Oh, okay, we don't need that. Okay, bye. So there. Now we have the cards. Now it's fine. So, I'm inclined to believe it's something with these cards. Is it the margin? It's the margin. The margin on these, styled. That means we just need that. Look. Perfect. Perfect. Now to test on this one. Perfect. Excellent. Yay. Okay. Oh. Alright, well, I think that was at least somewhat productive. Made a little bit of music, worked on the website. I fixed some mobile stuff. So I'm gonna push the commit, and then I'm gonna get off the stream. Okay, so we're gonna go up. WD git and dot git. That is Oh wait. Okay, so add cut. Because we don't need that favicon there. Alright. Probably also do want to move the like add. Yeah. Get kind of update. So we added fixed. Twice. Roll. Okay. See, like, you're not supposed to make commits this long, commit messages this long, but I don't really care. I think it's better to just have a record of what was done. I typed it. Oh, I didn't. Oh, never mind. I thought I fat fingered a key, but I guess. All right. Well, I think it's good for today. Okay. Well, we did that. I got very distracted, but it was very productive. I had a good time. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Fun.